All right, so I was able to solder it. Like this handle was broken or missing, and what I did is I found a pipe, a copper pipe, a copper tubing. You see, a old copper pipe, and then I soldered it with soldering. You see, some of them are spilled on the table, but yeah, once you solder it here, after you make sure it is at the right angle, that is the right angle for this uh, sprayer. So it's a sprayer, right? So that's the handle. So I don't have to buy anything. I just improvise things. That copper pipe is working perfectly. This soldering will make sure that doesn't rotate. It holds in tight. I hammered this one in really tight. This is a half-inch T. That way it stays in. And if there is any, if it becomes loose in future, I can just put a little screw in there or wedge something in there that will hold it in, because you can see the tip is visible. So that means I can kind of join them together in future if I have to. That's the reason I got a T, and it's working. You see, I can pump this. It's working. So that's how it is. You see, working just fine. So that's how you can improvise things. If you just can't figure things out and think about it enough, you can fix things yourself. It had a little leak on the side. The plastic had a dent. I put JB weld. So you see that is JB weld. That JB weld thing will hold it, and because made for pressure. So I put some water, made sure it's no leak. It has been sitting here since a day or two, and there is no leak. So this JB weld is a pretty amazing thing. It can hold the pressure as well. That's why JB weld is so famous. It can do a lot of things. All right.